Hello, my name is Joyce Sullivan, and this is the syllabus for the fall 2018 semester of Accounting 101. I'm going to try to do a very quick overview of this syllabus, but I ask that you look through all the details. The textbook information is available, as well as technical support. The technical support has links in it, which may be helpful. I want to talk about the method of evaluation in the grade scale. Notice that you're expected to do two different types of assignments plus class participation and exams. The assignments and reading quizzes are done in the publisher's website called Wiley Plus. The class participation is self-explanatory. There's a grid in the syllabus that explains what's expected of you, plus the 4 different exams on the material. The grade scale is typical. The 4 exams will make up 67% of the grade. Therefore, getting as many points as possible from the assignments, quizzes, and participation is really important because it makes up 1/3 of your grade. You're expected to complete 70% of the homework assignments. You will find that you can't pass this course by doing only 70% of the outside assignments. It's not possible. So always strive to get as close to 100% of your assignments and quizzes and participation as possible. It takes the pressure off when you're doing exams. The assignments and quizzes are found in the publisher's website. I do a separate video for that site. Please read through the class participation. It's important that you gather all the 40 points available. There's no extra credit allowed in this course, and no late assignments accepted. The first 3 exams are taken outside of class, either via Blackboard or in the testing center. If you take them via Blackboard, you need to download a software called Respondus, and I address Respondus in a separate video. Make sure you read these chapters about the exams because it explains what you need to do to take the exams outside of class. You're allowed to make up 1 exam for an extraordinary reason. We move pretty quickly, so making up exams become very difficult. So try to make sure that you're not out of town on business or something like that during exam time, if at all possible. You need to purchase a simple 4-function calculator for this course. This course is supported by the Tutoring Center, which provides a free service. There's a link here, plus in my Blackboard to tutoring. It'll probably be addressed in class for a few minutes too, just to let you know that it's available. It's your responsibility to know when you can withdraw from the course or when the withdrawal date is dropped. I hope that won't be the case for you, but if you need to consider that, here's a link to the schedule. The next 2 items are student help items, success services. If you see something listed here that you feel that you need to get stronger, they will provide a free service with a one-on-one meeting by appointment to help you overcome these problems. Hawks Care Services for Students is a new service being offered this semester. Here is a link to that service. If you see something here that may help you, definitely by all means check them out. This is a summary of the assignments that are being presented in this class. This is for information purposes. All of these assignments have been downloaded in the Wiley Plus publisher's website, which you will link to and do the assignments online. However, if you're having computer problems or can't get to a computer and your assignments are due, then go to this list, find the assignments at the end of the chapter, complete them on paper, and turn them in at the time when they're due. I will accept those. The accounting department puts this in the syllabus to let accounting students know that accounting takes up a lot of time. It's a math-based course, and has a lot of details to it that need to be memorized, learned, comprehended. So you need to be able to devote time to doing the assignments and studying. So make sure that you realize that it's a time-consuming course going in so you're not caught by surprise. This is the course schedule. It's also posted in Blackboard under a separate tab. Notice that on the night that lectures and that chapters will be lectured, the reading quizzes are also due, and they're due by 6 p.m. because our class starts at 6 p.m. However, the assignments are due after the lecture time, usually by 6 p.m. unless otherwise noted. Because the exams are done outside of class, we have a block of days in which to get the exams done. Remember, you can do the exams via your Blackboard site using a software download, or you can go to the testing center. And the exam availability opens at a specific time, 6 a.m., and closes at the end of the day. I will talk about collaborate exam reviews in class. And that's about it. We've covered the whole thing in 6 minutes flat. I hope this has been informative. I look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you.